Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Today, we're going on a little trip together. So pack your bags.
Yes, we'll learn travel English in just 10 sentences for taxi rides, hotels, restaurants, and even emergencies.
Charlie, do you remember your first trip abroad?
Oh, yes, I was so nervous. I didn't even know how to say, "Can you take me to this hotel?"
I once told a taxi driver, take me to my dream place. He was so confused.
That's cute, but travel English can really save you in real life. Okay, friends, let's practice some must-know travel sentences.
In a taxi, say, please take me to this address.
At a hotel, you can say, "I have a booking under my name."
At a restaurant, try, can I have the menu, please? Or, this food looks delicious.
And in an emergency, say, "Please help me. I need a doctor."
Simple, short, but powerful. These sentences help you feel confident anywhere.
Exactly. When we travel, kindness and good English make the world smaller and friendlier.
You know, Shar, travel teaches us more than just words. It teaches patience and respect.
That's true, Paul. Every hello in a new country is the start of a friendship.
So, friends, never be afraid to speak English. Just try with a smile.
Beautifully said. Keep learning, keep exploring, and believe in yourself. See you next time on Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. And please subscribe my channel for learning English.